guys, it's Sean from Max Options Trading. Here's a TA for Boeing puts that we got into today. This is the analysis I posted here right before the market today at 3:03 a.m., which is a half an hour before market open for me. One particular setup I do like is BA here approaching major downtrend resistance and the 200 EMA red line. Most time frames indicate overbought levels on the RSI. I do see some hidden divergence as well. We'll first wait to see if Boeing can move up to 160 area, then we'll look for rejection confirmation and get into puts. And if you look at the picture, see the annual downtrend line here. We're approaching that level, and as you can see the 200 EMA, the red line. We're also pushing above that as well. But during pre-market, we weren't fully testing the 200 EMA yet. That's why I mentioned around 160 area. Okay, and if you look at the left side, we are so far rejecting. Let's look at the daily. We have an upper wick there as well. And if you guys remember all the analysis lessons I've been giving, whenever there's a wick on top like this, the sellers are pushing the price down. Okay, and vice versa, if you see a wick on the bottom like this, buyers are pushing the price up. In this case, the sellers are rejecting the EMA, right at the EMA, right? You can also look at the 4-hour, rejecting there as well. Another key thing to note here, we were going up here. We had like a massive pump, but we had declining volume, which means that the price action is weakening and buyers are pulling out. We're going to actually use this replay again to right when the market opened. Okay, so this is what we were seeing in pre-market here. And let's go ahead and play the chart. Okay, there you go. So downtrend line, it was penetrated for a very brief time, but let's just keep on playing it. Rejection again, consolidation, and I got into puts right after the next rejection there. There you go. So as you can see, we did bounce a little bit here, but the candlesticks got smaller, and smaller, and we got rejected here once again. Now, if this was a real pump, we would have held above the 90 EMA, the blue line over here, and sort of consolidate, make a new high, consolidate, make a new high. But instead, if you play it out, we couldn't hold above the EMA, rejected really hard, and this is where we are right now. We are still in the process of dropping more, and you can see all the EMAs, so the 9, 21, 55, all crossing to the downside. Whenever we see a drop to the downside, they'll cross like this. You see the cross here? They cross to the downside. And if you go back to previous day here, when stock goes up, EMAs cross to the upside, and stocks trade above the EMAs. You see, when we're pumping hard like this, we trade above. That means that the average price is respecting the current pump. Whereas today, we're now trading below, right? And of course, if the EMA crosses back up and these candlesticks move above the candlesticks, then that could also mean a reversal to the upside as well. But for now, we trim some profit for 25% gains. Not too bad. We are going to keep this trade into next week. I believe my PT would be around 148 area, because that's where the next level down where the major buying is. And if we break this area, then it'll be down here, 142 area. Two areas where we saw major buyings in. So that's going to be my PT where we may see some bounce, and that's why we'll take profit there as well. I'll keep you guys updated, and I'll do another analysis video next week when we do fully close out the trade. Thanks, guys. Have a great weekend.